To pay Shein using PayPal without a credit card, you need to link your PayPal account to a debit card or bank account. First, create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Then go to the PayPal website and log into your account. Click on the Wallet tab and select Link a card or bank. Then choose the option to link a bank account. You will need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Once you have linked your bank account, you can use it to fund your PayPal transactions. Now, go to the Shein website and select the items you want to purchase. Then click on the Checkout button. When you reach the payment page, select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can choose to pay with your linked bank account. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct. Then click on the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. It is also possible to pay Shein using PayPal without a credit card by using the PayPal Cash and PayPal Cash Plus features. To use these features, you need to have a PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus account. You can add funds to your PayPal Cash account using your bank account or by receiving money from friends and family. Once you have funds in your PayPal Cash account, you can use them to pay for your Shein purchases. To do this, select PayPal as your payment method on the Shein website. Then log into your PayPal account and choose to pay with your PayPal Cash balance. Make sure you have enough funds in your PayPal Cash account to cover the cost of your purchase. And review the payment details carefully before completing the transaction. By following these steps, you can pay Shein using PayPal without a credit card. It is a convenient and secure way to make online purchases.